Hey y'all, so this is going to be a little different video today. I broke my ankle last Wednesday, and so I kind of want to show you the realities of gardening, number one, by yourself. And sometimes things happen, and sometimes your garden suffers. So here's my boot, and I just got this yesterday, so I'm able to get around with the help of crutches and my little scooter, but I can't garden like I want to, of course. So I just wanted to show you what's going on within a week. My corn is shooting up really good. My tomatoes are taking over. My okra is growing pretty well. I lost a lot of triple crop tomatoes that burst because I wasn't watering consistently, and then when there's a burst of rain, they suck up water really quick and they burst. So kale's still doing, potatoes still doing, cucumbers are okay. This bed lost a lot of life. Some of the squash plants were on their way out anyway, but I had planted some indeterminate tomatoes, and only these two, I don't know if you can see them, Oregon Spring behind that cucumber plant, those two lived. My Armenian cucumber plant is it's not doing great, and my Cushaw plant is really taking off. It's still growing. So yeah, I don't know if you can see from here, but my herbs are going to seed, my dill and my basil. My yard long beans are doing well though, and I got some sprouts of the Chinese red one, so that's great. Excited. My pumpkin plants are suffering because I hadn't gotten them in the ground, but so is life. So this is what's going to be my melon bed and pumpkin bed, and you can see the marigolds are finally growing and they're nice. And over here I have eggplant that I'm letting go to seed, pepper plants, and I started some new eggplants, but I'm not able to really prune them, so they're looking crazy. That's all I'm gonna talk about today. I'm kind of tired. I sat on a chair and watered from a distance what I could, but I'm not gonna be too sad about it. I'm gonna do what I can, and I'll keep y'all posted as I get better. Grow with you later. Bye.